If you want more energy, continue to watch this video, because what I'm going to go over right now is my adrenal cocktail. Yep, your adrenal cocktail to support your adrenal glands. So recently I've been doing a lot of research in adrenal glands, adrenal function, and I've changed my recipe a little bit. So what I've just bought, and I have not used this yet, is this right here. You can see that it's called adrenal cocktail. Now, what's in this here, what's in the adrenal cocktail, it really has 4 main ingredients. So one of the things when it comes to adrenal fatigue is your adrenal glands have the most vitamin C in them. So what this product does, this adrenal cocktail, one of the first things is here, you can see here from the label, the second key ingredient, it has sodium or salt. Now when people have adrenal fatigue, they have electrolyte imbalances, and the 2 major imbalances are sodium and potassium. So the second thing this has is this right here, that's the magnesium glycinate powder. And this right here is the adrenal cocktail. You can see that's in a powder. So what I do is I have this bottle right here. I've not tried this right here, the adrenal cocktail. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to put this in here and I'm going to tell you how it tastes. So let me go through this process. So that's what we have right now. I'm going to go get some water and I'll be right back. Alright, here I am. I'm going to mix it up. This is the first time I've had this cocktail. Now, it has sodium in it, so it's going to be a little salty. It definitely has. So somewhere down below I'll leave the links to Amazon so you know exactly what products I have bought. If you like this content, please like, comment, and share this with someone that needs some help.